Hey best friend, so today DIY is going to be semi-permanent lace tint, and it's super easy, and I'm going to just show you guys how to do this, especially if you aren't sure what your color is. This was definitely wash off with a couple of washes, and this is what it looks like on me. So if you want to see how to get this, then stay tuned. So the hair that we're going to use for this tutorial is by Beaufox. They did send me this wig. This is how the packaging looks. It's very neat. It does come with a little spray bottle, which we are going to use in this tutorial. Some eyelashes, a wig net, and pamphlet, and it just have instructions on the back and front of the box of how to take care of the hair. So I did receive either a 22 or 24 inch wig. I will leave that information down below. This wig does come with combs, I believe 3 combs, adjustable straps, and it is a 13 by 4 lace frontal, okay? But if they do have a 13 by 6, I would definitely suggest a 13 by 6. If they have it on their website, I will link it down below in the description bar. So the texture I was sent was Waterwave. It's really pretty and it gets really big. I'll insert a picture right here so you guys can see what it looked like on me. I just want to show you that it does have a lot of baby hairs, and it is pre-plucked, and you can see the lace color on me is a little bit ashy, so we're just about to change that. So the first thing I would say to do is customize your wig. Alright, I love to bleach my knots. Bleaching knots is something that you have to do, but I like to do it because it gives a more natural effect. So if you are interested in the bleaching of the knots tutorial, I do have one on my YouTube channel. I'll link it at the end of this video and in my description bar. So after you apply the bleach, just let it process for about 20 to 25 minutes, and then you're ready to make your mixture of your tint spray. Alright you guys, so this is a different location. I actually moved into my townhouse, so we're gonna have a new recording location. But so this is what all you're gonna need for this little tint spray. Okay, so you want some Morton sea salt, the color of your choice. I'm going to use honey brown. Honey brown is more of like a greenish tinge. It has the undertone in it. It's kind of like greeny, but it's okay because we're going to spray it on and you won't tell on the lace. Okay, and then you need your spray bottle. This is the spray bottle that came with this. As you can tell, I already did this and I lost the footage, so I'm doing it again. So basically you just need to turn on your faucet to hot water. You don't need to boil water, just turn it on to hot water. Alright, so you want to fill up your bottle, but you want to leave some of the bottle available so when you pour your color and your salt, it won't overflow. Alright, so you want to add some salt. It doesn't matter how much salt you add, but this is a small bottle, so I did like half a teaspoon. But you just want to add some salt in there to get the brassiness out of the color, because the Adore colors do have like undertones in it. So you want to try to kill the undertone. So add your salt, and then you want to add a half a cap of color. I am chocolate, so add the color slowly and then build it up to the intensity you want. So I've been doing this for a while, so that's the intensity that I'm gonna get with the color. And so mine is ready to go. So you put it in the bottle and you shake it all together and you ready to use it as a spray. So this is the wig that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. She is washed, deep conditioned with my silicone mix. She is customized. She is very soft and fluffy, and she's ready to get tinted so I can wear her, okay? So this is what she's looking like. That hairline is immaculate. And so let's get to tinting. So basically, I take my wig off my stand, turn it inside out, and so the lace can be exposed. And once I have it exposed, I'm only going to tint one side first so you guys could see the color difference. Alright, so I take it and I'm going to spray the tint on my lace only on half of the side, and you want to do an even layer, right? And after you spray your layer, you want to go in and blow dry it down so it won't be wet. And I will tell you guys to do this step before you style your hair, especially if you have a curly wet texture. You want to do this before, because this is a semi-permanent color, so it will bleed. So if you don't want it to bleed, style your hair first and then add the color to your lace last. So the wonderful thing about doing the semi-permanent tint instead of the permanent tint is if you do get this color wrong, you could actually wash it out a couple of times and then try the color again. So right here you're seeing me spray some more color on it because it wasn't the opacity that I needed for my skin tone. And so I did another round of spray, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and blow dry it down, and I'm gonna show you guys the difference with the tinted side and the non-tinted side. So this is the half and half reveal. This side is tinted and this side is not tinted, so you can definitely tell the difference, and the tinted side definitely meshed well better with my skin tone, so as you can see, versus the non-tinted side, which is like a ashy grayish color. All right, so again, tinted side, non-tinted side, so it's definitely a difference. And like I said, I love the semi-permanent because if you're not sure what your color is, you can test different colors on your lace and it will not stick for a long time. You can just go ahead and wash it with like a heavy-duty soap, something like a good astringent soap, and it will come off. So let's apply the wig so I can show you guys what it looks like after. So this is what she's looking like after I cut off the lace, and she is styled on my head. I wear a lot of wigs, and this is a very easy and convenient way for me to tint my lace real quick, you know. So that hairline is looking good. Let me know down below, do you guys use makeup or do you guys do the tinting method to tint your lace? Alright, best friends, so this is the ending of this video, and I just wanted to come through and show you guys what the lace is looking like. I do have some cotton on my face because I was wiping the excess got to be glue off my hairline. I love this method because it's so convenient. It's not, you don't have to submerge your entire lace front into water and hope that the color comes out correct. You can gradually spray the color onto the wig and then go about it that way and build up your color that way, because I just find like sometimes when you just submerge your entire lace front into water, it might go darker than you want it to. You build up your intensities. I have 2 layers of hair color on my lace, and it looks pretty good to me. Like it looks pretty good to me. And the only thing about this is because it is semi-permanent and not like a dye that'll stain your lace for good, the semi-permanent will wash off after a couple of washes. So if you do make a mistake or if it's too dark for you, you can definitely wash the color off and you could try it again with a different, you know, adore color. That's all I have to say. And in regards to this hair, she's cute. So yes, I gave you guys the little viral hack that's going around, the lace tint, the lace overlay, all of that stuff. This is how you do it. Even though this is the semi-permanent kind, and I'm pretty sure most of these companies are selling permanent hair dye that's in the form of this. Same thing, it doesn't matter. You can do it with the same method. Do it yourself, DIY. I'm over here dropping gems, okay? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will definitely be back with another video. Bye, best friends.